Why automate your goal tracking?
Staying on track with goals is easier when routine steps are handled automatically. Digital automation can remind you, collect data, and chart your progress with minimal effort. By reducing manual work, you free up time and mental energy for what really matters, making progress and celebrating wins.
Using calendar reminders for consistency.
Integrate your goals into your digital calendar to build consistency. Set recurring reminders for daily habits like reading or walking. Tools like Google Calendar let you create events with notifications. This simple setup means you won't forget key habits, and your schedule gently nudges you to stay accountable.
Automated tracking with habit apps.
Habit tracking apps can automate much of the tracking process. Apps like Habitica, Streaks, or Google Keep let you check off daily tasks. Many sync with your phone, send reminders, and generate reports showing which goals you've met or missed, making reflection and adjustment almost effortless.
Automatic data logging with Spreadsheets.
Use digital forms in Spreadsheets for easy custom tracking. Google Forms can collect your daily updates in seconds. Responses fill a spreadsheet, which can be set up to graph your progress automatically. This setup eliminates manual record keeping and gives you instant visual feedback on your goals.
IFTTT and Zapier. Connect your tools.
Automation platforms like IFTTT and Zapier connect your favorite apps and devices. For example, you can have every completed workout in a fitness app logged automatically in a Google Sheet. These tools reduce duplication and keep all your goal data up to date without extra effort.
Make automation work for you.
Start with simple automations and expand as your needs grow. Even basic reminders and automated spreadsheets can save time and help you build habits. Review your system regularly and adapt as your goals change. Automation should always support, not complicate, your personal growth.